In tough economic times, like the ones we're faced with today, there is an even stronger need for information technology to drive the efficiency and the productivity for the entire company. Whether we're in recessionary times or not, IT's role is to drive the business competitiveness, not just cut costs of operations. So 2009 is truly an opportunity for IT to shine and to deliver the value that companies need. During an economic downturn, it would be very easy to cut capital spending, to postpone purchases, but Intel IT sees value in continuing our server refresh and continuing our client refresh strategies. With our client refresh, we're able to further deploy vPro in our environment, gaining the long-term efficiencies in IT support, as well as increasing employee productivity. So a great example of something that both lowers IT's operational cost as well as improves employee productivity is our client refresh strategy. At Intel, we have a very rich client mix with over 80% of our PCs being notebooks, and that has been the case for a number of years. Employees have greater flexibility with mobile computing, which adds to their productivity. However, we've also found that refreshing our mobile clients improves our IT costs. Our PC support data shows that notebooks that are older than 3 years have over 60% higher support costs. This is caused through greater hardware failures and greater virus and security breaches. We also know that older systems impact employee productivity, and our data supports this in IT as well as the feedback we get from employees. As the IT build continues to be more and more complex, the need for faster compute solutions grows. It often takes up to 50% more time to complete tasks on the older systems. So refreshing your clients on a 3 to 3.5 year beat rate with the latest high-performing, energy-efficient systems both saves IT operational costs and it drives the employee productivity. So at Intel IT, we are also deploying a wide range of video conferencing tools to help reduce corporate travel costs. We're also deploying additional capabilities in social computing beyond the blogs and the wiki solutions that we already have in place. We're doing this to drive efficient and effective collaboration across our worldwide teams. And these tools are even more critical in economic times like this to drive company-wide productivity. We need to connect and network our people in new ways. You know, it's often the incremental money that we invest in IT that has a large return for the rest of the company through productivity improvements. So you can think about IT efficiency programs as self-funded. You make an investment in capital expense and you get a return in your operational expense. At Intel, we are continuing with our efficiency programs, which are many and include things like data center efficiencies, reducing the total number of data centers, application end of life, our green printing solution, going through a virtualized server solution, as well as improved client manageability with vPro, and storage optimizations, improving the storage utilization. And we must continue to drive momentum in reducing our IT operational costs. The payback on our efficiency programs is just too big to stall or defer. In 2008, we saved almost $100 million through data center efficiencies. And we saved another $45 million by consolidating older servers and refreshing them onto the latest energy-efficient quad-core solutions. So accelerating the refresh rate of older generation servers does add value and is still a high priority, particularly in tough economic times. So given the economy, our business partners in Intel are faced with many challenges. And what I've found is that in challenging times, there's even greater willingness by organizations to make change, to fundamentally do things differently. My partners in Intel are looking to us, IT, to help them improve their productivity and efficiency. Both business productivity in the time it takes to get to the right information and make those key decisions, as well as improving employee productivity. And of course, we need to continue to deliver these new business solutions while making sure we maintain the reliability of our IT operations. There's significant opportunity for IT in economic times like this in driving company-wide competitiveness.